Hi, I'm Hector Perez, a Senior Solutions Architect at JourneyTEAM, and I'm going to teach you about one of the pillars of Zero Trust architecture, which is data. To learn about the other 5 pillars, check out our other videos. Data is a critical component of Zero Trust architecture because it represents the core assets that organizations seek to protect. In the Zero Trust model, the focus extends beyond securing your perimeters or your network boundaries to safeguarding the data itself. The significance of data in Zero Trust architecture can be summarized as follows. First, data-centric security. Zero Trust really emphasizes a data-centric approach. You recognize that data is the primary target for cyber threats. So protecting data becomes a priority, and security measures are designed to secure access, storage, and transmission of sensitive information. Second, data classification and sensitivity. Understanding the value and sensitivity of different types of data is crucial in Zero Trust. Data classification allows organizations to apply appropriate security controls based on the sensitivity of the information, ensuring that the most critical data receives the highest level of protection. Third, encryption and data protection. Zero Trust requires robust encryption mechanisms to protect data both in transit and at rest. And this ensures that even if unauthorized access occurs, internally or externally, the data remains unreadable and secure. Granular access controls is the fourth. So implementing granular access controls is really essential for Zero Trust. By defining access permissions at the data level, organizations can restrict user access based on their identity, their role, and specific data that they need, adhering to the principle of least privilege. Fifth, data lifecycle management. Zero Trust involves managing the entire lifecycle of data from creation to deletion. And this includes secure handling, storage, disposal process, and reducing the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access at different stages. And lastly, data resilience and backup. Zero Trust incorporates data resilience strategies, including regular backups and recovery plans. This ensures that organizations can quickly recover from data loss or ransomware attacks, maintaining business continuity. And this exists in even cloud-only deployments. In summary, data is a critical focus in Zero Trust architecture because it represents the core assets that organizations aim to protect. By adopting a data-centric approach, organizations can implement effective security measures to safeguard sensitive information and mitigate the risks associated with modern cybersecurity threats. Thanks for learning about data and Zero Trust. Please reach out to us at JourneyTEAM if you have any questions.